You are all invited to my kitchen farm, wherever you are watching from, my fans. Special welcome to my kitchen farm. I'm cooking a small pot. Some natural, real country food. I don't think you would like this type of food anyway, cause I know most people would rather like the rice and all, like the fast food. So this food will not impress you anyway. Welcome to my channel anyway. Wherever you might be watching from, it's a good day to be alive, and we must give thanks for life. We have to big up all of the subscribers who come on to my channel, wherever you might be watching from, starting from Jamaica, the Caribbean, America, Canada, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, Central and South America, New Zealand, the entire world. In fact, we don't want to leave out no one. I've been always working in the jungle. If you like flowers, remember, please give this video a thumbs up if you like flowers. And if you believe in cooking natural food, you can also give it a thumbs up. And if you are new for the first time, special welcome to the channel. Please tell your friends and family about the channel. Yes, April winding up now. Few hours time we'll be going into the month of May. So the year, boy, the year is racing away. Blazing away the year. Can you believe so the year almost reached there? So reach half. Few weeks time we'll be in summer again. My, and then so we'll see like school out again and all, yeah, school holiday, then bam, new term September. Some countries like August, some places in America, August, the new school year. Whoa, unbelievable. I'm also gonna reap some tomatoes, so continue to watch. Do not go away and skip this video. And you can watch the ads also, my fans. Bless up and more blessing and whole heap of love. Take a small looking at the pot. Remember, it's not a pretty cooking, country living, country lifestyle this. Then I found like we have pumpkin, chocho and yam. See? So dumpling lovers. But I'm sorry for this time, no dumpling for you. Just natural, organic yam and chocho and pumpkin along with, good menu I go with it. What that greens are I can use. I don't show it. Salt mackerel, salt fish, I don't show as yet. And me have callaloo and all those stuff. Well, come on, me have to get a good fresh up, and clean up myself. But man, sometimes I have to give a little joke. Me piece of old tear apart. Little joke is fun. Let us read the tomato now anyway. Who like to look at nature and the sky, sometimes we have to do these things and show them type of, shots here. So let us reap tomato, my fans. Here we want to do now. Count along with me while I'm reaping few tomatoes. Just count and know how many tomatoes I reap and make sure you put it into the comments. Therefore, I will know who was watching the video to the end. See, so we have to have a little fun in this time. Fun is good, and we can participate. It's highly important. I have 3 more planting sucker to plant. So remember, fans, subscriber, look out or listen out for your name. See? Because the people who comment regulars, those are the one I will remember to plant things for them. So we're gonna pick the tomato them now. So let us start here now. How many are gonna reap organic? Good old organics. My. Look. It's real authentic organics. But me can't hold plenty with me. The camera and me on, man. Oh gosh, baby. Alright. Look and see. Count. I think everyone can get this right. If they only not get this right, something wrong. We don't need anyone not get it right. Would need to check out the doctor, because something would have been wrong. So I will see who will put the amount. So I will know that person watch it to the end. I must say thanks everyone for watching and thanks for participating. I'm sending love and high energy to you and your family. Big up your grandchildren, them, your children, your spouse. See, you understand? I must try to live little more loving among each other and be more caring, Yes, and do not let the devil come into your life too much, Try seek love instead of hatred. Let us try and see if we, come together as one man. So Kojak sending high energy and me sending love to you and your family. So bless up and big up from me to your home. India people, African people, Jamaican people, all of my nice fans them, bless up and more bless up. Thanks for watching again.